assume you must have downloaded Visual Studio Code. So the next thing to do is to open the Visual Studio Code. So when you open the Visual Studio Code, just ignore this folder here. So we go to our desktop now and we create a new folder. Let me do that right now. So let's just call it code gen. Let's say code gen. That should be okay. So in our Visual Studio Code, we can open a new folder. Sorry, open the folder we just created right now. So we call that code gen. It's on the desktop. So let's say code gen. Yeah, okay, so our folder is open. So we come here to create a new file. We select this. So let's call it this. Our file will be gen r. Let's call it enrtr.py. You must add the py at the end, or else it's not a Python file. So we're going to need the QR code library here. I already have it installed, but I'll show you how to do that. We use the pip, which is the Python package installer. So pip. Yeah, I'm having some issues with my terminal. Okay, no. So you pip install QR code. It's more of this one. So I already have it here. It's going to stay that right now. Okay, you can see. Uh, yes, you can see its requirement already satisfied. So let's import QR code. So we say import QR code. Now that we have imported QR code, we need a variable to pass in the data we want. So let's just call it d. Let's say dta equals. Let's call it a string. Let's say this is our QR code data. I believe that's alright. Now we need to instantiate it's called QR code. So we say img equals to. I'm saying equals because okay, but just understand. Img equals QR code make. So we are making a QR code right now. So we pass in DTA, which is our data, what we want, the content of our QR code, which is DTA. So we take DTA now. So we have passed in DTA to the make function there. So now, if we save, so now I want to save this image here. So I'm going to say img. So, so let's call the file path where we want it to be at. So let's go to our documents. Let's see. Hmm. See this. Let me see documents. Yeah, let's. Okay, I already have one here. Where is this from? Ink. Let's not touch this folder. Let me just go to Corel and copy this path here. So Corel in documents. Yeah. Sorry about this. So Control V. So we need to invert this slashes or to get errors here. Okay. Now we're in the Coral directory. Let's name our file. We used to call it DTA, or let's just call it QR code. O. Let's save and see if we have any errors here. Okay, no errors. So that means our code worked. Let me refresh here. Okay. Oh, I made a mistake. Sorry, I didn't add the extension, so Python didn't save it as an image. So I'll add .png. So this makes it an image right now. Run again and see if we have any errors. Let me see now. So if we refresh now, okay, now we have our QR code .png. Okay, let's view it. Hope there are no errors. Hope it works out. Okay, we have our QR code here. So now we have our QR code. It's quite useless without a reader. So let's make a QR code reader now. So let me say GNT. I should get this exact name. Yeah, reader. That's py. Don't forget the py extension. So now we're going to need to import pillow and pyz bar. Yeah, if I'm not wrong. So let's import pillow first. I already have it here, but I'm just doing it for the sake of the tutorial. So let's say pip install first before we import pillow. Pillow is a Python image processing library. Okay, pillow. Pip install pillow. So uh yeah, okay. Requirements already satisfied. Let's install pyz bar. I already have all this installed. Okay, right. Wait. Oh, sorry. I made a mistake here in the spelling. So we're going to pip. Sorry, I didn't add pip. You can see the little things that cause errors. So I'll say pip install pyz bar. Okay, I already have it though, so I don't know why all the errors. Just ignore all the errors. I think it has to do with my internet here. The much industry push and found for pyz bar has to do with my internet connection. Wait, verify. Let me verify. Sorry for the delay. I have this error sometime. PYZ bar. So let me see because I already have this installed. So I'll say from PYZ bar. I already have it. I don't know why it brought up all these errors here. That's PYZ bar. Decode. So we are going to this is to decode our what are all these errors? Could not be resolved. Yes. Sorry for the errors. Let me close and open again. See if it should have cleared itself. Mm-hmm. Okay. I don't know why that happened because it's still the same code, but no errors right yet. Let it load. I don't know why it's happened that way. The code. So now from pillow, but short as PIL in a capital. Could not be resolved. Why couldn't be resolved? Yo, oh, oh. Can you see how I inverted the Z that was in place of the Y? Minor overlooking. Okay, so now everything works. Guess I just waited some time. So now we need to import pillow. So I'll say from PIL in capital PIL import image. So this enables us to work with the image file we saved in the other Python script. So let's say image. Let's call this now. So let's say image. Right. Why is that there? So image image open. So we want to open. Sorry, we want to open the image. The QR code we saved in the other script. So now let's go here and copy this exact same path because we want to decode this same QR code, the one we just made right now. So we come here, let's paste Control V. Yeah, so we want to be correct. So now let's pass in the image into, okay, so result. So now we use the decode we got from the QIZ dot. So we decode this image here. We opened it right now, so let's decode it. So we call decode. So decode. So now we're passing this variable here, this image variable where the variable where the image is stored. So we pass an image here. So we pass an image here. Let's print the result. So now we passed in the variable into this decode function. So we want to decode the image in this variable. Hope you understand that. Okay, so now let's print. So we are printing result now. If we had printed image, we would just it won't work that way. So we have to use the sorry about that. So we have to use the print the result. So let's go. So let's run and see. Hopefully everything works out very well according to plan. Good, very good, very good. So now we have our key, our data. You can see our data. This is the most important thing. So this is where you, if you want your links or whatever, this is where you get it. So these are just the other attributes here. So basically we just created and we read the QR code. Thank you.